Hello everyone, I'm Eberto from Volktek.
Volktek is a design and manufacturing service company which provides in-house one-stop manufacturing service for fiber optics and Ethernet products.
Volktek offers a wide product portfolio for applications in the broadband, surveillance, and automation segments.
There are Metro Ethernet Switches, Industrial Ethernet Switches with or without PoE for specific applications, Industrial IoT gateways, and Media Converters, SFPs, and PoE injectors. Volktek has full control of product development, from design and prototyping to manufacturing, performing product quality assurance, and delivery.
Today, I want to talk to you about one of Volktek's most successful product line and Ethernet solution.
Lite Managed Ethernet Switches and Lamungan. Available in PoE and non-PoE versions appropriate for indoor and industrial operations and certified against electromagnetic, mechanic, and environmental challenges. They use redundant power system to assure continuous operation. When there's a power failure, technicians are informed through an email alarm and a physical alarm turns on, warning about the power failure immediately.
Network management software producers create multiple platforms to run network diagnostics and give proper maintenance, which users can buy separately. Volktek's Lite Managed Ethernet Switches offer network configuration settings and an in-device solution for network monitoring and maintenance named Lamungan.
Lamungan aggregates 4 important tools concerning device deployment and installation, network performance monitoring, and traffic analysis in a user-friendly interface to reduce the challenges of IT and OT technicians.
The Lite Managed Ethernet Switches specialize in the communication with other devices to produce reports and offer technicians the ability to achieve more in less time, that way saving resources and increasing efficiency.
The benefits of using Lamungan monitoring and management platform with Lite Managed Ethernet Switches are significant for the industry. There is very fast installation, 3 steps in 3 minutes. The wizard gives you shortcuts to set up security and internet access to deploy a network of devices quickly. With the information found in the topology map and the dashboard about all devices, you can find the devices in the physical layer easily. You can keep a track of the network links through the topology map, which uses SNMP protocols.
The Lite Managed Ethernet Switches and Lamungan are 2-in-1 network solutions to provide an efficient service with less resources, and for professionals of different expertise to perform an efficient network monitoring and management. If you want to learn more about this or any other of our products, you can visit us to www.volktek.com and also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.